Endorsement of the ruling party. Women in Action for Development represents women formations from all sectors of society. The Public Protector's Nkandla report, a focal point.
I would like to say to Thuli Madonsela, hands off our president. Hands off our president. The people of South Africa and the people, the members of the African National Congress decided that Comrade Jacob Zuma will be for the next 5 years.
Also support from a trusted corner.
Nobody should challenge the foundation of our forebears. We will defend this foundation. We will defend this foundation until we conclude to build the house that we wanted to build.
The ANC president said the door was still open for those who had deserted the party.
The doors are open. One of the reasons why it is so important for people to come back is because we know many of them are very capable people, capable citizens with skills and imagination. But they are not able to utilize their capacity to help South Africa develop. Because they are out there, they are not where things happen.
The ANC urged its members to assist voters who cannot get to voting stations to ensure a decisive win. Tsholofelo Mathibedi, SABC News, Potchefstroom.